Chloe, and today I'm gonna show you how to make this like confetti popper that shoots balls, or just like these little fuzzy cotton balls. Anyway, the first thing you wanna do is grab a cup, and you wanna cut the bottom out. And so you're gonna need a balloon, glue stick, scissors, and stuff to make a face with. So you gotta knot the balloon nice and tight, and then you cut about like this. Yeah. And then you put it on the bottom of your cup. But first you gotta take some glue and quickly put it right around the bottom. The glue dries fast, so do it fast. And then you take this, stretch it as far as you can around the cup. It might take a couple times to actually get it around the cup, but it's worth it in the end. And so while we're waiting for that to dry, you grab some black paper, and I don't have any orange with me, but take some orange and make a nose, just like this one. And so you can cut square eyes or circle eyes, whichever one makes you the happiest. I'm gonna do squares here just because I did circles with the last one. Just cut some small pieces. And get your glue stick ready again because you're gonna glue the eyes on. And you can make a nose. I chose not to make a mouth. I don't know, I just think it's cute, honestly. And you just put it, I'm gonna put mine right here, but you just gotta take some glue and place these in glue. It's a pretty simple project, honestly. It's gonna turn out really cute. And so I'm just gonna cut a little nose out of paper because I want to, and it's silly. But, okay, that's cute. So, I mean,
why don't you show us how it works?
Yeah. So, I mean, the smallest ones work best, but honestly, whatever makes you happiest. Just put a couple in at a time and shoot.
Oh. Did it go across the room?
Yeah.
Okay, why don't you do another one?
All right.
Okay.
This is hilarious. I mean, the bigger ones don't go as high, but this is just a really fun project if you're looking for something to do indoors. And I hope you have fun with it. Bye.